We'll guide you through how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Often now, mice are going to go and have the Bluetooth mode. Previously, you would only be really connected them with the dongle adapter, but now you can go and connect with Bluetooth. There's no need to have that USB adapter you used to go and plug in. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. What you want to do is go and grab your mouse like so. Go and find the switch and make sure that you go and switch it on. Of course, make sure it's got charge. Majority of mice now, wireless ones, are going to go and have a built-in battery which you plug in. Older ones, you can go and slide the back off and you go and put in physical batteries, like a AA battery, for example. So make sure it's on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come onto the laptop. You want to come to the Windows Start button. So let's come down to the bottom here and you want to go and press on the Start button. And in here, go and find settings. You can always go and search at the top for settings or press search at the bottom and type in settings as well for that matter. In here, go down and find the option for Bluetooth and devices. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on and then you can press add device. You need to go and find the option for Bluetooth and click there. It's now going to go and start scanning. So you need to now come onto your mouse and we need to go and put it into the pairing mode. So you're going to see at the bottom here, I've got 1, 2, 3. So with this mouse, you can actually have 3 different connections. So I could have like a laptop and I could then switch to my desktop PC. So if I go and tap here, you can see it selects 1, 2, 3, then 1 again. So let's go and say I want to set this up as connection 3. I'll select that. Then we can put it into pairing mode. So I can tap and hold it and it'll be in pairing mode and it starts rapidly flashing like this. Now if I come onto the laptop, it will go and appear here. So I can then go and click on it and it's now saying it's connecting. You can see there we've now connected. It says ready to go. You can press done. I'll then place down my mouse here and you can go and see I can then go and use it. It's that simple. You've now connected it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.